Broccoli. You want some broccoli?
Days together.
You want some broccoli? You sure you want some broccoli? Yes?
No.
Are you love me? You love me?
I mean, no, it will
My
never.
broccoli? Okay.
I bought you something you really don't want. I picked it out for
Good.
myself.
You want broccoli?
And I went
Oh, we want this? You want this big broccoli? Oh, yes, you do. You love me? You love me? You love me? Hmm? You want the broccoli? You want broccoli? Yes? Okay, here's the broccoli for you. Oh, look at her eat the broccoli.
Not a whole hell of a lot, but
she loves the broccoli.
yeah. No, what I'm saying is...
Look at her eat that. You like that? Is it good?
I'd love to.
Good, Moody?
That'd be like, wow, 16 days, that's fantastic.
Like the broccoli.
You know, what we'd save in the airfare.
The gas will make up for it.
In the hotel.
The gas will make up for it.
Fantastic. Because then we could, you know, really have some fun, which we always do every day with you. If you don't mind doing that, I love the days. Wow. My son's here.
I'm 50 years old. You like that? Is that good? Is that good, Moody?
Sounds good.
Is that good?
Put that other thing on hold.